What is cloud computing? What is cloud computing advantage? I will explain you cloud computing in this video. Hello and welcome. If you are an IT professional or thinking of learning about leadership, then this channel is for you. Please like the video, subscribe the channel and follow the page if you are watching on FB and Insta. Let's start the video. If I simply explain, cloud computing is the delivery of computer services via the internet. In order to enable speedier innovation, more flexible resources, and economies of scale, you typically only pay for the cloud services you use, decreasing your operating cost, allowing you to better manage your infrastructure, and allowing you to scale as your business grows. The most important advantages of cloud computing. Number one, cost. Cloud computing reduces the capital investment of purchasing hardware and software as well as establishing and operating on-site data centers. The racks of server, round-the-clock electricity for power and cooling, and IT specialists to manage the infrastructure. It quickly adds up. Number two, speed. Because most cloud computing services are self-service and on demand, even large amounts of computing resources may be deployed in a minute, usually with only a few mouse clicks, giving business a lot of flexibility and alleviating capacity planning stress. Number three, global scale. The capacity to scale elastically is one of the advantages of cloud computing services. In cloud parlance, this implies delivering the appropriate quantity of IT resources. For example, more or less computing power, storage and bandwidth at the appropriate time and from the appropriate geographic location. Number four, reliability. Because data may be duplicated at numerous redundant sites on the cloud provider's network, cloud computing enables data backup, disaster recovery, and business continuity easier and less expensive. Number five, productivity. On-site data centers often need a significant amount of racking and stacking, hardware installation, software patching, and other time-consuming IT administration tasks. Cloud computing eliminates the need for many of these duties, allowing IT staff to focus their efforts on more critical business objectives. Number six, security. Many cloud providers provide a comprehensive set of policies, technologies, and control that improve your entire security posture, assisting in the protection of your data, apps, and infrastructure from possible attacks. Number seven, performance. The largest cloud computing services are delivered through a global network of secure data centers that are continually upgraded to the most recent generation of fast and efficient computer gear. This has various advantages over a single corporate data center, including lower network latency for application and larger economies of scale. Hope you found the video content informative. Please like the video, subscribe the channel and follow the page if you are watching on Facebook and Instagram. Thank you for your constant support. See you in next video.